Hey, it's me Sherry, and in this video I will show you how I made this embroidered letter hoop. I actually have no idea what I'm doing as I have no embroidery experience, but I thought this would be really cute, so I had to make it. Now let's begin. Start with an embroidery hoop and piece of fabric. Take your fabric and cut out a circle that's about an inch or two bigger than your hoop. Place your fabric over the inner hoop and then place the outer hoop on top while making sure the fabric is taut. Then sketch the letter of your choice onto the fabric. I'm sketching the letter C as the person I'm gifting this to has a name that starts with C. I'm doing this freehand, but feel free to trace it if you would like. Now I'm drawing circles on my letter as a guide to show where I want my roses embroidered. Once that's done, pick your color scheme and get your embroidery floss. To embroider the rose, start by sewing a star shape like so. Then thread your needle through close to the center between two of these lines. Bring your needle over one line and tuck it under the thread line next to it. Then go over and under. Repeat this until you are satisfied with the size of your rose. To make a leaf, sew a line like this, then as you come back up, place your needle near the top just to the right of it. Bring it diagonally across to the bottom left. Repeat with the left side. Bring it back to the right side and place your needle just a bit lower and thread through. Repeat the process again. Then slowly taper it as you approach the rose. Here's my progress so far. I often switch colors to keep it colorful. Oftentimes you'll have gaps, and I like to fill these gaps with buds. Thread your needle through, tie a knot close to your fabric, then sew it in place by bringing your needle through. Sometimes I like to fill gaps by sewing a few back stitches. This is what my letter looks like after I've embroidered what feels like a million leaves and rosebuds. To complete this project, make a running stitch along the fabric on the back so that it hides itself. Cover the back with a piece of fabric, here I'm using felt. And we're done! I've tied a piece of ribbon on top so it can be hung on the wall. I'm quite happy with the way it turned out. I think it makes for a beautiful room decor. Let me know what you think. In the meantime, thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more cute crafts. Let me know if you have any requests, and I'll see you next time. Bye!